All right, welcome back. We are on level 4 of lesson 3, Drawing in Game Lab. So this level follows another video that you may have watched with your class. If you missed the video, you can watch it in the Help and Tips tab on this level. So, hey, actually, you could go back here because the two videos are right here, or you can just click here and it shows you the video. So that's super handy. All right, we're not going to look at the teachers only though, because that's cheating. Okay, so fill color. You can also make your rectangles different colors with fill. It will set the color for every shape that comes after it in the code. This is very important. All right, like this is something that if you're taking notes, I would write down. All right, so do this. Look at the code that sets the color. Show me where. So right here, where it says fill blue, change the color from blue to yellow, add a new square to the image, drag out a rectangle block into the code area below the fill command. Show me where. We're going to grab this one right here. The new square can go any location on the screen you want. Remember, you can always turn on the grid. Show me where. So right here. Or hover with the mouse to help find the X and Y position you want. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the grid because that does make things easier. And then I'm going to run this to see what it looks like so far. All right, so when I run it, we see two blue squares. This is what we're trying to get over here. So we can see one issue is that we need to change the color. All right, so the way that we're going to do that is we're going to come to line 2 where it says fill blue, and we're going to change the color blue to the color yellow. All right, so that's the first step where it says change the color from blue to yellow. So let's see if I did that correctly. We're going to run it. That looks like yellow to me. All right, so we have rectangle 1 at 100, 100. We have rectangle 2 at 250, 100. And now we need to add a new square to the image. So we're going to come over here. We're going to drag this one over here. And our goal is to get a yellow square in this box right here. All right, so I'm going to reset. And I'm just going to hover right here to see where it would be on the grid. And it tells me 100 and 200. All right, so I'm going to come over here. I'm going to type in 100 in my first parameter, and we got 200 in my second parameter. Let's see if I did this correctly. Run. All right, that looks like that, especially if I turn the grid off. All right, I think we're in business. So that is all we had to do for level 4. I will see you in level 5. Here we go.